future isn't written in the stars, it's grown from the ground beneath our feet. Meet Rob, a seasoned climate strategist and entrepreneur with over 25 years of experience, is deeply passionate about addressing the world's most pressing environmental challenges. His personal goals revolve around continuing his global efforts to combat climate change, biodiversity loss, and food insecurity. His pioneering work focuses on nature-based solutions, from reforestation to sustainable agriculture, with a strong emphasis on the integration of indigenous knowledge. Looking ahead, Rob envisions a world where communities collaborate to heal the planet, emphasizing that everyone can contribute to restoring the Earth's ecosystems. Rob believes we can stabilize the climate and restore biodiversity through collective action. His message is clear: by working with nature, the possibilities are endless.